Nicomatic CMM PCB Modular connectors are space-saving and lightweight connectors that provide high reliability in extreme environments for aerospace, avionics, instrumentation and control, defense, and transportation markets. The connectors feature extreme modularity on a 2 mm pitch that can combine signal, low frequency, high frequency, and high power contacts up to 35 amps in one connector, with more than 20 million combinations. The cost-effective connectors are available in 1 to 3 row versions that accommodate 2 to 120 contacts, creating custom connector assemblies from standard components. CMM series microconnectors are available in board-to-board, board-to-wire, and wire-to-wire configurations for maximum application flexibility, and the modular nature can combine multiple connectors into one for additional space savings. They're highly resistant to shock and vibrations and can tolerate temperature cycling from -60 to +260 degrees Celsius.